Tramick. I am at a DCFC game. How are you doing?
Woo, go DCFC!
What is your name?
Katie.
Hey, Katie, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. I hope they win. I hope it's a good game tonight.
Yeah, I feel it.
So I'm out here asking people about Miss Dig and what they know about Miss Dig. So why do you think it's good that people use Miss Dig?
So they don't F up their lines to their internet, electrical, or water.
That is absolutely correct. And what number would they dial to actually reach Miss Dig 811?
1-800-MISTAKE or 811.
There you go. See, she knows the real answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811. Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.